Taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be.
And then I'm back in the video. Just wanted to show you guys basically how I achieved these flexi rod set. I know a lot of you guys requested this flexi rod set on my Instagram, so I decided to do one today. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So these are the products that I'll be using in this tutorial.
Taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in.
So I've blow dried my hair already, started in the back. What I did after that is I lightly pressed my hair using the hot comb. I sectioned my hair up into 4 sections. I think I might split this up into 4 sections. So I'm going to apply my products first. So starting off with the twisting butter.
Baby, don't
and I
for me.
pay particular attention to the ends. You take my flexi rod, bend it slightly. Once that's done, you split that section up into 2. You place the flexi rod in between that section, pull one section up, and start rolling the hair. And then do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other bits of hair.
The name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.
So I've put 20 rods in my hair, so 6 at the back, and then I think maybe about 4 or 5 in each of the other sections. So clearly I can't count. What I was actually meant to say is that I placed 6 rods at the back of my head, and then I placed 7 rods in each of the front sections, making it a total of 20 rods. I shall see you guys in the morning. Bye. Hi guys, so basically this is the next day. I've let it dry for about 16 hours. You guys see that? So, okay.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, stay.
Okay, so after taking it down, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to give me a little bit of shine, and I'm going to separate each curl one at a time.
Trying to look like you winning, I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.
So that's it guys, that is the flex rod tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.